Hello and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I am going to be making a Quiche Lorraine. I have greased an 8-inch tart tin with butter. I'm now going to add my pastry. Using a fork, I'm going to prick the bottom so it doesn't puff up. I'm now going to take my grease-proof paper and cover it. And I'm going to fill it with rice, or if you have baking beans, you can fill it with baking beans. I'm going to bake it for 10 minutes in the oven. I have preheated my oven to 220 degrees. Then I'm going to remove the baking beans and greaseproof paper and cook it for a further 10 minutes or until it has gone lightly brown. While my pastry is cooking, I'm going to cut up my onion and bacon. In my pan, I'm going to add a tiny bit of vegetable oil. I'm going to put it onto a medium heat and wait for the oil to warm up. I'm now going to add in my bacon. Now going to pour them back into a bowl and leave to one side. I've made sure to leave some of the juice in the pan. I'm now going to turn the heat back on and fry my onions. I'm going to turn the heat off and add them into another bowl. In my jug I have some single cream. I'm going to add 2 eggs, a pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper. I have put my quiche onto a baking tray. I have also turned my oven down to 180 degrees. I'm now going to add in my onions and bacon. Grated cheese. And finally, my egg and cream mixture. I'm now going to bake my quiche for 25 to 30 minutes until it is golden brown and just set. Be careful not to overcook the quiche or the filling will become tough and full of holes. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.